What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we got a really nice, pretty sunny day out here. About 80 degrees, so we decided to get some much needed work done on the Demon. Today we're going to finally get some gears in this thing. It's a pretty windy day out here, but we got a 742 case, set of 430 gears. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the Demon. So we gotta clean these things up, get the car ready so we can put them in. I'm just gonna start by jacking the rear end up, taking the wheels off of it and putting the jack stands up under it so we can let the rear end hang down a little bit so we can pull the drive shaft out. Car is jacked up. It's on jack stands right now. Got the drive shaft out of it. We're gonna go clean the differential now. Here is said differential. 430 gears. Everything looks good. All the teeth look good. It just needs to be cleaned up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put about 17 cans of brake clean on this thing, get it cleaned up. You can see right here, 742 case. And yeah, so go ahead and spray some brake clean. The differential that's in it, somebody swapped it over and put some highway gear in it just to sell it whenever we got it. There's only, I think there's 2 nuts holding it in. There's that one, and I think there's one on this side somewhere, yeah. So pull the nuts off, drain the fluid, slide it out just a little bit, drain the fluid, and get ready to pull it out so we can swap the, put the 430 gears in it. Got both of the nuts that were holding the diff in. I got those off. Now we just gotta take, it should be 5 nuts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think the other side has all 5. This one only has 2 or 3. We got all new hardware for everything, so don't need to worry about that. Just gotta pull these off, slide the axles out just a little bit to take the pumpkin out, and then we'll go from there. All right, got the center section out. Came out with the jack. Pretty simple. There was barely any fluid in there, as we suspected, but we're gonna go ahead and make sure we put some fluid in there. We got Royal Purple over here. We love some Royal Purple, so we'll get some Royal Purple in there. I'll clean the rest of the gasket that stays on there. I'll clean all that off of it, get the mating surface cleaned up. Then we'll go in with the gears, put some fluid in it, and hopefully don't run into any issues. Famous last words, right? All right, old set of gears is out, and you can see right here, wipe that off, 276. So yeah, they just threw a highway gear in or just to get rid of it. So I wonder what they had in it before. But as far as we know, the car was never raced. It was just being built to race. So hopefully we'll be the first one to take it down the track. So but yeah, 276 gear came out of it, 430 going in it with an actual amount of fluid and nuts and bolts and hardware that should be in it. So I think that's an upgrade. Yeah, on this one, clear as day, 430. So get ready to throw it up in there. Got the new pumpkin in. All 10 nuts holding it in. A little bit better than 2 that was holding it in before, so progress is progress. Got the drive shaft in, tightened down. Axles obviously are also tightened down. Just put fluid in it and just gotta throw the wheels back on it. Should be good to go.